Hi guys, today we'll be going to look at the letter name and sounds for C, K, H, F, and D. Letter sound C. K. Press the back of your tongue against the top of your throat, opening and releasing it suddenly with a puff of air. K, k, k. Corn, cow, can, cone. Letter sound H. Mouth relaxed and your jaw slightly open with a puff of air being forced from your throat. Hose, how, hook, horn. Letter sound. Press your upper front teeth against your bottom lip. Force air through the opening and then release your teeth from your lip. Fox, fan, fork, four. And letter sound D, D. Touching the tip of the tongue on the ridge just behind the upper front teeth while lips stay gently apart. Be careful not to add the or the schwa at the end. D, 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 d. Dice, dive, deer, done.